Let me grab something.
Okay. Oh boy. It is morning and it's -6 right now here at Boulder City. No, Bryce Canyon. Got the sun in my eye. Bryce Canyon City. Just coming out of our room here, and we're going to go over to the breakfast. The breakfast is included. It's over a separate building over here, right over that way. We're going to go over there for breakfast, and then we're going to be heading into the national park, Bryce Canyon National Park. Oh man, you see my breath? But okay, let's go head over to the restaurant and have breakfast. Okay, our room is right up here. This is the general store. And then the restaurant is up here. You got all their camping supplies and stuff here. It's the entrance for where the office is, and the restaurant entrance. Wow, beautiful. Okay, the restaurant is over that direction. Cowboys Buffet and Steak Room. Wow. This is what I'm partaking of right now. You have a breakfast buffet over there. You got pancakes too. I decided to go with potatoes, scrambled eggs, and a couple strips of bacon. Orange juice too. Yummy. Oh man. Still decorated for Christmas in here. There's the general store in there. Vacuuming. Oh, that was a good breakfast. I'm heading back to the room now. I gotta try to find my brother. I think he went back to the room. I looked in the store there, he's not there, so. Okay, in a little bit here, we're gonna be heading into the park. We're just leaving the room now. We're staying another night there though, so we'll be back, but it is now 9 degrees out, and we are going sightseeing. Didn't think I'd ever be going sightseeing when it's that cold. But we're heading into Bryce Canyon National Park right now. We're at Bryce Canyon City here, and just a couple miles down the road is where Bryce Canyon National Park is. Okay, just entering, there's the sign, Bryce Canyon National Park. Turning into Sunrise Point. Right up here. Here it is, Sunrise Point. Look at that. Elevation 8,015 feet. Yeah, and the trail here's got ice covered and snow and stuff, but you got the chains on. That's what it does help. I noticed so far. I can tell. Well, let's go take a look at Sunrise Point. Oh wow! Beautiful. Look at that. And Sunrise Point is still up there yet, so we're gonna walk up there. As far as I can tell. Sunrise Point, Queen's Garden Trail. Looks like the trail does go up there yet. So. And that must be the Queen Garden Trail going down right there. You see it zigzagging down there? Wow. Huh. Yeah, I found this place out of the wind thanks to the tree. It's further down that way was where Sunset Point is. Let's look back here. Yeah, you can see it. That's where the goal is up there. See the railing heading up there. Sunrise Point there. There's Sunset Point, half a mile down that way. We were there last night. Oh, all right. I have arrived at Sunrise Point. Oh, wow. Beautiful. Check that out. Look at the lighting. Oh man. Move a little further down here. And now let's look down. Look at that. Wow. Oh my lord. Whew. And this camera is not doing it justice, you know, that's a common thing, you know. As beautiful as things are. And as much progress they make on cameras, quality cameras, the cameras just can't do it. So as nice as it looks on camera, think about what it looks like here now. Wow. man. Okay, I'm going to take. I gotta show myself here. We'll start it right here, and then slowly with the scenery behind me. I really have to do this for, like, so I can have an option. An option for for a thumbnail for the video. Kind of look at that down there. Wow, creepers. Oh. Someone's coming up the trail there. Oh, wow. Oh, that is amazing. Okay, now I'll just take a swing around there. You can kind of see that. Cool, that tree right there. Dead tree, but very picturesque, I think. There we go. There's that sign I bumped into earlier. All right, let's. Beautiful. I like that tree.